Texturetek is a simple way to achieve professional results to match existing wall texture for both DIY and professional applications. Start by making a proper patch. Cut a drywall patch and using a pencil, sketch a pattern onto the existing wall surface. Be sure to make a patch that is slightly larger than the repair area. Take a drywall saw and cut on the sketched lines, being careful to make accurate cuts. Remove the damaged drywall and debris, leaving a clean surface for the patch to be installed. Insert a piece of wood backing long enough to overlap on both sides of the wall. Note a screw inserted into the backing is used as a handle. Confirm the backing is centered in the hole, and fasten by screwing through the existing drywall and into the backing on both sides of the hole. The use of the wood backing is an important step in achieving professional results. Remove the screw used as a handle and insert a drywall patch in the hole. Confirm the patch fits snugly without bowing or deforming. Secure the patch by screwing it into the backing. At this point of the repair, confirm you have a snug fit with smooth edges around the repaired area. Using a joint knife, cover the seam between the existing drywall and the patch with self-adhesive fiberglass mesh tape. Be sure to make the overlap equal on all four sides. Check your work to confirm the mesh tape is secure without waves or wrinkles. Take all-purpose joint compound and with a taping knife cover the patched area completely. Work the surface smooth with alternating swooping motions. The joint compound will dry within 1 to 4 hours depending on temperature. When the joint compound is dry, prepare the surface for applying Texturetek. Using a sanding sponge or sandpaper, level off the repaired surface. Work methodically to blend the edges of the repair into the existing drywall. Place a large piece of cardboard close to the repaired area. The cardboard will be used to set the Texturetek nozzle to the correct setting for matching your existing wall. Take a can of Texturetek spray and shake it vigorously for at least 1 minute. If you do not feel or hear the internal marble rattling inside the can, continue to shake until you do. Adjust the Texturetek nozzle and spray a test pattern. Continue to adjust the nozzle until a matching texture is achieved. Upon attaining a match, begin spraying Texturetek onto the repair area. Start with long sweeping motions at the distance you determined on the cardboard test surface. Upon completion of sweeping motions, begin lightly spraying in a circular motion. Continue spraying until the repaired area is covered and the outer edges are feathered to match the existing surface. Depending upon temperature and humidity, wait 4 to 24 hours to paint. Be sure to overlap the paint onto the existing wall surface with long sweeping strokes. 2 coats of paint are recommended to achieve the best results. Texturetek will provide you a perfect match with professional results. Texturetek, finish like a pro.